Hello everyone, welcome back to a new guide video on this channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to find out if someone is hiding their Instagram story from you. If that is something that you want to learn, then make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. Now there is no option within the app to sort of know who is hiding their Instagram stories. For this, there are two methods. Either you can use a website for seeing the stories, or you can create a different profile of yours or a fake profile and view their stories. So let's do the first method. Open up a web browser and then search for storysaver.net. Now this is a website which lets you download and see other people's story on Instagram. In this website, in the box, you just type in the username of the person that you want to see the story of and then tap on download. Now if the other person has added in the story, it will be visible like this. This way you'll be able to know that if someone has or has not hidden the story from you. But however, if they have a private account of Instagram, this option wouldn't work. This option will only work if they have a public account. From here you can also tap on the three dots and download the story. So that's the first way, and the second way is you need to create a fake Instagram account of yours and you need to follow that person. And only if the other person accepts the friend request, in case they have a private account, you'll be able to view their stories and tell if they have or have not hidden the Instagram stories from you. So those are the two methods. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to leave this video a like and also subscribe to our channel. I'll soon be back with more informative videos similar to this. Until then, keep watching.